Hey guys, thanks for tuning in to another video on ForgottenWeapons.com. I'm Ian McCollum, and I have brought my AMD-65 proper original SBR barrel length out to the range. This is going to be my first time actually shooting this. Now, I've shot AKs with AMD brakes on them before, but they've always been 16-inch guns, and I'm curious to see how this handles with the original, in the original configuration. So, in order to do it properly, we got some Hungarian camo. We've also got the original 20-round mag for the AMD-65. Now, if you are not familiar with Hungarian AKs, first off, you should just go check out our currently running Kickstarter for rifles on the Danube, Hungarian Kalashnikov firearms, 1959 to 2002, which talks all about the genesis and development of the AMD-65, as well as the other unique and interesting Hungarian AKs. But the short version is, this was originally intended to be a specialist's weapon for mechanized infantry and paratroops and guys who needed really compact rifles. And then because it happened to be the cheapest thing available, it was adopted for the entire Hungarian army. So my understanding is its reputation was fairly good amongst the specialty troops who really had need of its unique features, and its reputation was not so great amongst everybody else who really wished they had a proper stock. All right, let's do it. You know what? That's not bad for me. But Jordan behind the camera there is grimacing, squinting, and shaking his head no, because I bet that brake is atrocious back there.
It's one of the worst things ever. It's worse than the H-car.
Oh, that was pretty bad. I gotta say, the stock is bad. Like, definitely bad. You're sort of randomly setting it on your cheek down here. It doesn't give you much support, but the recoil impulse is really not bad out of this thing at all. It's just that concussion coming out of the brake that is awful. But again, that's a concussion for everyone around you, not for the shooter himself. Of course, you got a squad of guys all with these things and everyone's getting punished. But kind of like it. It's a cute little baby AK. And it's really not hard to make hits with. Like, I mean, granted, it's a full-size silhouette at like 50 yards, but I can definitely see how the front grip's going to get a little awkward over time. This is great if you're in a stack kicking down a door or something, or sitting in the very, very tight confines of something like a BMP. But if you're out actually in the field, yeah, the handguard here is vaguely warm, but that's going to heat up pretty quick. The gas tube is, I'm sure, quite hot because it's got nothing covering it at all. This is your grip. Like, you're not going to come out here and do the fancy modern thing and sear your thumb to the gas tube with this thing. So, you know what? I don't have to be next to it, so I kind of like it. Whew, I think I can actually see the concussion, though, in rapid fire. All right, so just to be fair to Jordan here, I have taken the camera myself. We're going to give Jordan a few rounds through it so that I can experience the awfulness that is, I'm sure, going to be standing next to an AMD-65. Oh, no, you don't. You're not getting in front of me with that thing. Ah.
Yeah, it's nice to shoot. It's not nice to be around.
Yeah, that's pretty blasty. You can definitely feel the concussion wave coming off that thing from every shot. So, if you have an AMD-65 and you want to know more about it, definitely check out our Kickstarter for Rifles on the Danube. Got a link in the description text below. Big thanks to Brandon Herrera and the AK guy for putting this rifle together for me. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching. Ah! You just had to do it, didn't you?
I had one round left.